This is a 2004 Exmark 48-inch Turf Tracer HP. This machine is in very nice condition. There aren't any cracks on the deck. All the welds are very sturdy. There aren't any welds, any aftermarket welds on there either. Has a rock deflector. This machine has a 17 horsepower Kawasaki KAI engine. Starts up every time and runs great. Muffler's in good condition. Serial number. This machine's reading 1,008 hours, 0.2. There's the console. It's your speed control, throttle, key switch, manual blade engagement, and your parking brake. The hydro pumps are in very good condition. I did notice a little bit of oil on each one earlier on it before I pressure washed it. There may be a little bit of a leak on one of the hoses or something there, but nothing major. There's a view up under the machine. This is the hydro reservoir, putting the oil, the hydraulics. Tires are, I'd say, 40% on the rear, 40 to 50, maybe 60% on the front. The view up under the machine. A little bit of plastic on there that I need to get off. This machine starts up and runs very good. Machine's in very nice condition and it's ready to sell.